First International Conference on Languages and Arts Across Cultures, ICLAAC. Date of event, 5th of November 2020. Venue, via Zoom webinar and Zoom meeting. International Conference on Languages and Arts Across Cultures, ICLAAC, is a transformation from ICEAC, International Conference on English Across Cultures, that has been hosted for 8 years by the Language and Art Faculty of Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha UNDIKSHA in Indonesia. The Language and Art Faculty accommodates over 700, of whom are majoring in English education, Japanese education, Balinese education, Indonesian language education, English for tourism diploma, communication, and visual design and arts. These various disciplines trigger the conference transformation. There is a high demand to include not only languages and education issues, but also art and art education issues in this conference. Thus, a big theme, literacy across cultures, is selected to embrace all these disciplines. As concerns increased over the spread of the coronavirus in the world, conference organizers canceled the in-person version of the conference this year. ICLAAC 2020 will incorporate remote virtual presenters. Keynote speakers' presentations will be streamed online through Zoom webinar. Furthermore, presenters and participants will be accommodated to present and participate remotely. Arrangement of online presentation possibility is going to be informed later. This decision is taken due to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic and in its full support of public authorities in the world in their effort to slow the spread of the disease. The theme of this conference is literacy across cultures. The topics to be presented in the conference are mentioned but not limited to as follows. English in education, teaching English for young learners. TESOL, teaching English and technology. Character education, special need education. Assessment, media development, professional development, material development, and teaching methods. English for specific purposes, applied linguistics. Cross-cultural understanding. Arts and cultures, arts and language, visual design. The keynote speakers in this conference are Sanjoy Kumar De, Shanta Mariam University of Creative Technology, Bangladesh. Cora Lindsay, PhD, the University of Nottingham, UK. Professor Yasuhiko Sukegawa, Tokyo International University, Japan. Professor Dr. Inyoman Dharmaputra, Universitas Udayana, Indonesia. Professor Loputu Artini, MA, PhD, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha, Indonesia.